Some aviation technology hasn't changed much in recent decades. For example, propeller-driven aircrafts are still popular.
But one aspect of aviation technology that has changed drastically is avionics. These are the electronic systems for guidance, navigation, communications, and flight control. Microprocessor technologies have led to rapid advances in electrical components and instrumentation. My job is to inspect, service, modify, and install the various avionics system components.
I think it's one of the most demanding jobs in aviation.
You've got to work well in teams, have good communication skills, and be fully committed to safety. And the rewards are excellent. I get to work on state-of-the-art satellite navigation, fly-by-wire, and autopilot systems. Sometimes I work in the shop. Sometimes I'm right in the aircraft, testing, troubleshooting, calibrating, and repairing. With 48 months experience, you can apply for certification. You can also go for your license through Transport Canada.
Licensing and certification open the doors to opportunities at airlines, aviation shops, and aerospace organizations.
Check out the CCAA website where you can learn more about the many great career choices in aviation maintenance and aerospace manufacturing.